Hello friends, I am Mayank. Welcome to Creative Hub. In this video, I will be telling about our country India and its states and union territories. India lies in the South Asia. It is the most populous democracy and also the second most populous country in the world. It's bounded by the Indian Ocean on the south, Arabian Sea on the southwest and Bay of Bengal on the southeast. India shares land borders with Pakistan to the west, China, Nepal, Bhutan to the north and Bangladesh and Myanmar to the east. India is in the vicinity of Sri Lanka and Maldives. Andaman and Nicobar Islands share maritime borders with Thailand, Indonesia and Myanmar. India's official languages are Hindi and English. Indian currency is Indian rupee INR. India celebrates Republic Day on Jan 26th and Independence Day on 15th August. Its national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Now let us know about our states and union territories. Andhra Pradesh, capital Amaravati. It has 13 districts and its official language is Telugu. Arunachal Pradesh, capital Itanagar. It has 25 districts and its official language is English. Assam, capital Dispur. It has 34 districts. Its official language is Assamese. Bihar, capital Patna. It has 38 districts. Its official language is Hindi. Chhattisgarh, capital Raipur. It has 28 districts. Its official language is Hindi. Goa, capital Panaji. It has 2 districts. Its official language is Konkani. Gujarat, capital Gandhinagar. It has 33 districts. Its official language is Gujarati. Haryana, capital Chandigarh. It has 22 districts. Its official language is Hindi. Himachal Pradesh, capital Shimla in summer and Dharamshala in the winter. It has 12 districts and its official language is Hindi. Jharkhand, capital Ranchi. It has 24 districts and its official language is Hindi. Karnataka, capital Bengaluru. It has 31 districts. Its official language is Kannada. Kerala, capital Thiruvananthapuram. It has 14 districts. Its official language is Malayalam. Madhya Pradesh, capital Bhopal. It has 52 districts and its official language is Hindi. Maharashtra, capital Mumbai. It has 36 districts. Its official language is Marathi. Manipur, capital Imphal. It has 16 districts. Its official language is Manipuri. Meghalaya, Capital Shillong. It has 11 districts. Its official language is English. Mizoram. Capital Aizawl. It has 11 districts. Its official language is Mizo. Nagaland. Capital Kohima. It has 12 districts. Its official language is English. Odisha. Capital Bhubaneswar. It has 30 districts. Its official language is Odia. Punjab. Capital Chandigarh. It has 22 districts. Its official language is Punjabi. Rajasthan. Capital Jaipur. It has 33 districts. Its official language is Hindi. Sikkim. Capital Gangtok. It has 4 districts. Its official language is Nepali. Tamil Nadu. Capital Chennai. It has 38 districts. Its official language is Tamil. Telangana. Capital Hyderabad. It has 33 districts. Its official language is Telugu. Tripura. Capital Agartala. It has 8 districts. Its official language is Bengali and Kokborok. Uttar Pradesh. Capital Lucknow. It has 75 districts. Its official language is Hindi. Uttarakhand. Capital Gairsen in the summer and Dehradun in the winter. It has 13 districts. Its official language is Hindi. West Bengal. Capital Kolkata. It has 23 districts. Its official language is Bengali. Now let's see about our union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Capital Port Blair. It has 3 districts. Its official language is Hindi. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Punjab and Haryana and is also a union territory. It has only 1 district and its official language is English. Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Capital Daman and it has 3 districts. Its official languages are Gujarati, Marathi, Hindi and English. Delhi. Capital New Delhi. It has 11 districts. Official languages are Hindi, Punjabi, Urdu and English. Jammu and Kashmir. Capital Srinagar in the summer and Jammu in the winter. It has 14 districts. Its official languages are Kashmiri and Urdu. Ladakh. Capital Leh in the summer and Kargil in the winter. It has 2 districts. Its official languages are Hindi and English. Lakshadweep. Capital Kavaratti. It has only 1 district. Its official languages are Malayalam and English. Puducherry, also called as Pondicherry. Capital Pondicherry. It has 4 districts. Its official languages are Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam and English. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications.